We know that in all things, God works for the good of those who love him, who have been called according to his purpose.
Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another hairstyle, and for this hairstyle I will be going to the hair salon. Make sure you comment, like and subscribe to my channel. So I made my way to my favorite auntie, but guys, at this point she's about to do my hair and I actually thought I brought the wrong color, but then I did realize that I actually brought the right color, thank God, because I needed to do my hair because I was going on holiday. So this hair was sent to me by a company called Maroochin.amz, and I have worked with them before and I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. So they sent me the 18-inch human hair bundles. They sent me 2 bundles, and this is the color 4 and color 30, and I got the expression in the color 4. So for the other hairstyles that I have done for them, I did do those one by myself, which is on my channel, but for this one I had to go to the hair salon because I feel like I had no time, I was rushing and there was no way I was going to be able to do my hair myself. But this is the bundle. She went ahead to dip the tip in water and then just, you know, attach that into the braid. I really love how my auntie does my hair. Well, I've known her for maybe 4 years now, and whenever I need to do my hair, she's the person that I go to because she knows exactly what I want. So this is the step. We literally did knotless, and she attached like maybe 4 or 5 into every single braids, and some of them maybe 6, just because I wanted it a bit fuller. But we only used 1 pack for this hairstyle because I wanted it to look very natural and very easy to deal with. So yeah, I'm gonna put all the details in the description box below for this hairstyle. Yeah, everything that you guys need to know, you can find them on Amazon, and they're very affordable as well, and I really love the hair. But just make sure when you do this hairstyle, make sure the bundles or the human hair part is tucked in properly, because when I did mine I had an issue of it shedding a lot. It shed a lot even on holiday because I feel like maybe it wasn't tucked in properly. But she's finished braiding and now she's just deepening everything into hot water, and she just used like a curler to curl the ends so that it can blend in with the rest of the hair. I think this is the deep wave hair as I can remember, but like I said, I will put everything in the description box. And then she went ahead to put the mousse. This part felt so good, and I really loved how this mousse smells as well. But when it comes to auntie, she just prefers for me to do my edges myself. She just can't be bothered. But yeah, this is how it turned out. I really love it. And a few days later, or a week later, I did my makeup, and this is how it looks. Let me know what you guys think. Bye.